Good morning, students. In the previous class, I explained you how can you multiply the algebraic expression in column method or by row method. Today we will continue the same exercise starting from the question number 2, that is simplify the following. Its A part is here 9a plus within bracket it is a minus 9b minus 3a. So students, how we will do it, how we will simplify it? We will write this 9a as it is. Now we will remove this bracket. Out of this bracket there is plus sign and no number for multiplication out of this bracket. So we will simplify. We will simply write this all the terms of this bracket as it is without changing any sign. This is plus a, we will write plus a. This is minus 9b, then this minus 3a. If there is minus sign, then we will change the all the sign of the terms within the bracket. But if there is plus sign, no change in the sign of the terms of within bracket. So now we will write like terms. This is 9a, this is plus a, and this is minus 3a. All these three terms are with a. So we will simplify these a terms, these three terms. 9a plus 1a, it is 10a. Then write this minus 3a with this 10a. Then write minus 9b. We simplify the terms only by writing the like terms. It will be easy for you. Now 10a minus 3a is 7a. Then this minus 9b. We will simplify up to here only. Now these two terms are unlike terms. This is 7a. Here little factor is a and here little factor is b. So these two terms are unlike terms. No more simplification is possible. Clear? Now come to its b part. Its b part is C minus 15a plus 9a minus b plus 5, then 2a minus b. I have copied this question here. Now how we will do it? See here. This minus 15a will be written as it is. Again we will take only this bracket, first bracket. Out of this bracket there is plus sign. So no change in the sign of the terms of this bracket. This is plus 9a. It will be written as plus 9a. Then it will be written as minus b. Now again this is plus sign. We will put this plus sign. Now here there is one number to multiply within this bracket. Here is no number. Out of this bracket there is plus 5. So we will simplify. We will multiply this 2a minus b by this 5. So 5 2 ja 10b. It will be plus 10a, sorry, 5 2 ja 10a minus 5 multiply b, it will be 5b. Now again we will write like terms together. This is 15a, this is 9a, and this is plus 10a. So we will write all these three terms together, minus 15a plus 9a, then this plus 10a. Now write this minus b minus 5b. Now this minus 15a will be written as it is. This plus 9a plus 10a, plus 9 plus 10 plus 19 plus 19a. Now this is minus 1b and this is minus 5b. So it will become minus 6b. Students, write carefully this 6 and b. Now this is 15a, this is 19a. Both are like terms. We will simplify these two terms. One is negative and other is positive. So we will subtract the smaller one from the larger one. We will get plus 4a, then minus 6b. Now these two terms are like or unlike? These are unlike terms because here literal factor is A and here literal factor is B. So these two terms are unlike terms, so no more simplification is possible. Come to its C parts. C part is 13b minus 10a plus 2 into 3a minus b. See here. First we will write this 13b as it is, then this minus 10a plus. Again we will multiply this 2 within this bracket. 2 3 ja 6a minus 2 1 ja it is 1b. It will be taken as 1b. So 2 1 ja 2b. Again now we will write the like terms. This is 13b. This is minus 2b. 13b minus 2b. These two terms with b will be written together. Then this minus 10a plus 6a. Now 13b minus 2b. We will simplify these two terms. 13 minus 2, 11b. Then minus 10a plus 6a. Both are different signs. So we will subtract this 6 from minus 10. We will get minus 4a. Student, this is 11b, not 116. Again these two are unlike terms. We can write it first a minus 4a plus 11b. Come to its D part. D part is 5b plus 11b minus 2a plus 3 into a minus b. So students, see. Again first we will remove the bracket. This 5b written as it is. Then this plus. This bracket, these terms will be written as it is. 11b minus 2a. There is no number to multiply. Now here out of this bracket this 3 is written. Students, when there is no sign between this number and this bracket, as it is here also, then it means multiply. It means plus 3 multiply in within bracket a minus b. So we will multiply 3 multiply 1. 3 1 ja 3a minus this minus 3 1 ja 3. It is 3b. Now again like terms, we will write like terms together. It is 5b plus 11b minus 3b. So 5b plus 11b minus 3b. Then write these two like terms, 2a minus 2a plus 3a. Now solve like terms. 5b plus 11b, it will be 16b minus 3b minus 2a plus 3a. It will be plus a. Both the terms are with different signs, so we will subtract the smaller one from the larger one. Plus a. Now 16b minus 3b. It will be 13b, then plus a. Next part, E. Come to its E part. Its E part is, see here in the book, 3r minus 5s plus 3 into r minus s plus 5s minus r. See here, I have written the question here. This 3r will be written as it is minus 5s. Now multiply this bracket with this 3. 3 multiply 1r. It will be 3r minus 3 multiply 1s, 3s. Now plus this plus 5 multiply s, 5s minus 5r. Students, again be careful when you write this 5s, because when we write in flow both look same. Now write the like terms together and align. This is 3r, this is 3r, this is minus 5r. We will write this 3r plus this 3r minus this 5r. always first write like terms together. Then this minus 5s minus 3s, this is plus 5s. So students, see here, this 3r plus 3r, it will be 6r minus 5r. Now this minus 5s plus 5s, it will be cancelled. Already I have told you, when we have two different sign with equal, with same numbers, this is minus 5s plus 5s, it will be cancelled, equal 0. Suppose this is minus 4x plus 4x, because student, you know, when two terms are with different sign, then we subtract them. When we subtract 4 from 4, 4 minus 4, 0. So we cancel it, it becomes 0. Suppose it is minus 7b plus 7b is also 0. These numbers can be written also like this. Here I have written terms with minus sign first. We can write terms first with plus sign. This minus 5s plus 5s also can be written as, first I am writing this plus 5s, then minus 5s. You know 5s minus 5s, 5 minus 5, 0. This is 4x with plus sign. So 4x minus 4x. This plus 4x is this one, and this minus 4x. Minus 4x is equal 0. Plus 7b minus 7b is equal 0. So in the same way, minus 5s plus 5s is equal 0. Now minus 3s will be written here. Now 6r minus 5r, it will be plus 1r. We will not write 1. So it is r, then minus 3s. Come to next part. Its f part is, see here, its f part, it is minus a plus rectangle bracket, this is rectangle bracket, then this b minus, and this bracket is known as flower bracket. This is rectangle bracket, this is flower bracket, and this is round bracket. So b minus flower bracket, then minus round bracket, a minus b plus a, then close the first round bracket, close first the round bracket, then flower bracket, then rectangle bracket. Again I have written this question here. So students, when we have all these three type of bracket in one question, first we will solve this round bracket. Remaining question, rest of the question will be written as it is. We will write it minus a plus as it is, then this rectangle bracket, then this b minus, then this flower bracket. Now here see students, out of this round bracket there is minus sign. So when we remove this round bracket, we will change these three sign. This is plus a, we will write it minus a, minus b will be written as plus b, then this plus a will be written as minus a. Now we will remove this round bracket from both the sides. Then close this flower bracket, then rectangle bracket. Again, now we will remove this flower bracket. Minus a will be written as it is, plus rectangle bracket b minus. Again, out of this flower bracket there is minus sign. So when we remove now this flower bracket, again we will change these three sign. When we remove this round bracket, out of this round bracket there was minus sign. So we will change, these three sign. This plus a will become minus a, minus b will become plus b, and plus a becomes minus a. Now we will remove this flower bracket. Again out of this flower bracket there is minus sign. So we will change sign again. This minus a will become plus a. Now this plus b will become minus b. Minus a will become plus a. and remove this flower bracket from both sides. Now there is only this rectangle bracket. Minus a plus. Students, see here, it is plus b, it is minus b. We can cancel b minus b as I told here. So b minus b cancel, plus a, it becomes 2a. Now this minus a, out of this rectangle bracket, this time there is plus sign, not minus sign. We will write it minus a plus 2a. Now simplify it, it is minus 1a, it is plus 2a. So 1a with positive sign left. It means only a is left. This is the answer. Next, G part. Student, G part is a, then within bracket 1 plus 2b plus 3 within bracket 3a plus b. I have written this question here. So here this bracket, first bracket, terms of this first bracket 1 plus 2b will be multiplied by this a. So it will become a1 ja a plus, when we multiply this a by 2b, it will become 2ab, 2 1 ja 2, because this is 1a, it will be considered as 1a. So 2 1 ja 2 ab plus 3 3 ja 9a plus 3 1 ja 3b. Now take like terms. Here only two like terms, this a and this plus 9a. A plus 9a, then plus 3b, then plus 2ab. So a plus 9a is 10a plus 3b plus 2ab. Next part, H. Its H part is 5a multiplied by 4 minus b, then minus 7a minus b. See students, here terms of this bracket, first 4 minus b will be multiplied by this 5a. So 5 4 ja 20, this a, then minus sign, it is 1b. 5 1 ja 5 ab, then this minus 7 multiply a, 7 1 ja 7a. This time this minus will become plus, because out of this bracket there is minus sign. So plus a changes to minus and minus changes to plus. 7 1 ja 7b. Now check the like terms. 20a minus 7. These two terms are last like terms. 20a minus 7a, then this plus 7b minus 5ab. 20a minus 7a, 13a plus 7b minus 5ab. Clear? Then its I part. I part is 8y square plus y, then y minus 5 minus 3 into y square minus 4. This is its I part. So first we will write this 8y square as it is. Now multiply y with y. Y multiply y, it will become y square, minus this one, y multiply 5, it will become 5y. Then out of this bracket minus sign. See students, here both the sign are given. Here it is given plus. So we have not changed the sign. It is plus y, we have written is plus. It is minus 5, we have written here minus. But here it is minus sign. Out of this bracket there is minus sign. So when we multiply this 3 with y square, it will become minus 3y square. Then this minus will become plus. Then 3 4 ja 12. Now take like terms here. 3 like terms, 8y square plus y square minus 3y square. So 8y square plus y square, it will become 8y square plus y square, 9y square. Then this 3y square minus 5y plus 12. Now 9y square minus 3y square, both are like terms. So 9 minus 3, 6y square. This minus 5y plus 12. See here, all these three terms are unlike term. Here literal factor is y square, here it is y, here it is a constant term. So no more simplification is possible. Then next, student, I am doing J part here. J part is 10a plus 5a divided by 5 minus 3 multiply 4a. Students, when in a question, if in a question there are all four type of sign, see here, plus, minus, multiply, divide, all four sign are present here, then what we will do, we use D mass. We will use D mass. D means divide, M means multiply, A means addition, plus S means subtract. So first of all we will divide. Here what is the division? Division sign is between these two terms. So we will divide this 5a with this 5. Then it means 10a plus. When we divide 5a with 5, see here it is rough work. Only it is rough work. See, 5a divided by 5. It means 5a upon 5. 5 on the 5, 5 on the 5. So it is a. We will divide this one. It will become only a. Then write remaining terms as it is, minus 3 multiply 4a. So we have done division. Now this time we will do multiply. In multiply we have to multiply these two terms. It will written as it is. We cannot add first. Do not do this mistake that we are adding first 10a plus 1a 11a. No. First we will divide, then we will multiply. 10a plus a minus 3 4 ja 12a. Now addition. We have done here multiplication. First we have done division, then multiplication. Now this time addition. We will now add 10a plus 1a. It is 11a minus 12a. Now simplify it. Both are like terms. 11a minus 12a. A with a. So when we simplify it, we will subtract this plus 11 from minus 12. We will get minus 1a. Minus 1a means minus a. So students, we have completed its second question, all parts up to J. Now one question with 2 parts is left. We will do it in the next class. Okay students, if you have any problem, you can ask me. Okay. Thank you students and have a nice day.